What's up, guys? We're going to be doing a video at Schnucks. Basically, shenanigans at Schnucks. Don't know what we're going to do. Might get kicked out. And then after that, we're going to go right up to Walmart. And then probably get kicked out there, too.
Yeah.
So, let's get into it. But at Walmart this time, we're actually going to probably drop kick them. It sounded like a freaking police car until I heard the screech. But I'll get back to you guys when we're up there, and I'm with Jackson. Let's get it! Guys, we arrived at Schnucks. Where the hell? Jackson. But yeah, we're going to start the shenanigans up. Do some random shit and yeah, mess stuff up. Let's get it. And Andre will get the free cookie. Right here. But we're going to get one anyways. Oh shoot. Employee's turn. That guy's got the free cookie. Oh my god. What did that? Guys, I knocked the whole thing over. Pick up on aisle 6, bitch.
Oh, what the hell?
Oh, I can see everything. Give me the key. Give me the key. I can see everything, y'all. Guys, I just came in the restroom waiting for Jackson outside. And I just noticed that right here there's a secret room. I think I'm gonna try to get in. Guys, we're secret room up here. Alright, Jackson, I wouldn't. Dude, there's a TV up there, guys. They're getting out. That's crazy. I see you too, you bastard. Alright, guys, Jackson just went to go get a, disabled handicap cart because his legs bother him, but it's not really I mean, it is. But, he doesn't eat it, but we're just gonna mess around with it, you know? But this guy keeps, watching us very close. So, I think he just went up to the top and, notified them that they need to watch us. So, we'll leave in about 15 minutes after we, mess with that handicap thing. And then go in the back section, employees only. So, yeah. I'll see you when we're with Jackson. Jackson, go. Oh my god. Guys, I don't know what happened, but Jackson just had to talk to her down there. I don't know what's going on, but he's talking to her, so. And she just saw me, so something's up. So I don't think we're gonna get to do it, but maybe, you don't know yet. But if we do, then now they're gonna watch a close eye on us. But I'll get back to you if he can get it or if he can't. Jackson just drove by with that cart. He has it now. I don't know where he just went, but he has it. There he is. Jackson coming in clutch. How's it feel? He just saw me filming. I'll get back to you when I'm up. He's the living tow truck. Mr. Steal Your Girl. So Quite a day to be living. My legs hurt.
Yeah,
Grab
mine.
the ball.
I'll grab the ball. Oh, frick, my butthole.
My son's sworn once a lot.
What the hell are you doing?
Sideways, not like straight. Let's get it.
Sliding in the DMs, dude.
Hold on, can I make a savage shot from right here?
Sure. Shoot. You suck. Oh my god. Alright, right here. You saw it, nothing but net. Alright, I'm done. I said you. Let's go. Alright, guys. Oh, what are you doing now? Goodbye, Shreks. Yeah, I know. That's probably the most savage thing I've ever seen. I wanted to throw it far, but I don't want to hit someone and then get cops called. Alright, guys, we're leaving. We'll catch you on the way to Walmart. Off throwing out of the house. I didn't go too far. Go. Bottle flips to a whole new level. Darn it.
Ready? Bottle flips to a new level. Savage.
Damn. Alright, this one will land. Trust me. Told you.
Savage.
Let's go. Okay.
You ready?
No, that way. Yeah. That's not even. Redo that. You came back. You gotta do it again until it's gone. How did that happen? Go.
How did that even
Do it again until it's gone. Go now. Alright. Savage. Woman's Alright guys, so we're gonna do a whole thing of eggs, dropping it. But I'm gonna be fair, I'm gonna pay for them. So yeah, I'm not gonna be like that douche who's wasting food because people could actually use it. But yeah, I'm paying for it, so yeah. Alright guys, showing that I paid for it. Oh shoot. But yeah, I'm just showing that I paid for it. But yeah, he's only gonna throw one and then we're gonna do something with them at Walmart after. Alright guys. Another egg. Cool. Guys, there's another egg. We're gonna do the air horn and we're gonna kick a ball and we're out. One. Whoa, a lot. Guys, we're dipping. Everyone looked and a couple people got scared. Got the rest of the eggs. Let me do something with them. Okay, I'll just do it when I get home. I'll just turn it on. Ha. Oh my God, that is hot. Savage. Last one. Landed on the roof, guys. All right, let's go. Guys, all of a sudden we just heard, like, we're in the neighborhood though. Walmart's way back there. But we're listening, like, carefully, and you can kind of hear police sirens. Could be for them. They could have called security or cops. But the chances are they probably didn't. But, I mean, I think they might have, though, because we did a lot there, and they were getting pissed. Like, you saw me drop kicking balls and it hitting the ceiling. One hit the light, and, yeah.
And I did this at the end.
Yeah. But we're going to end the video off here. Hope you enjoyed, and we will see you in the next one. Comment down below what you want us to do. Ready for the piece? We'll see you in the next one. Peace!